call in there or listen to that show and become
Alright everybody, got a really nice car here today. 67 GTO. This was born these colors, black with the parchment interior. It's been frame off restored. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Really nice performance built motor here. It does have a 400 under the hood that was professionally built, dyno tuned at 408 horsepower and a staggering 488 foot-pounds of torque. It also has the turbo 400 automatic transmission, nice bucket seats in the center console here. Going down the street real nice. Starts very easily. It does have a Holley Sniper fuel injection system. Here's the controller for it. That is normally tucked in the center console storage right there. So this car went through our service department, and it's a really good car. Only thing they did was like lube and adjust the window track and tightened up a piece of trim in here. Other than that, yeah, went through with flying colors, which is a rarity. So yeah, let's see what she's got. All right, guys. We could barely shift it, and we're already up to highway speeds. I mean, this motor doesn't have a hiccup when we just went through the whole acceleration there. It's just, it starts easily. It's built right. That's really what it comes down to. It's a professionally built motor that's done the right way, and yeah, great car. Let's see if we can get it go down the road straight. Yeah, I feel like I could take a nap. I mean, this is just tremendous. The way this car is set up, we're still not even touching the wheel there. Yeah, this one's not going to last long. Great car, especially with the with the nice color combination and just the top quality restoration that's done here. Totally dialed in. Great vehicle. Come test drive it for yourself. We're totally transparent. Don't have a single thing to hide. Contact our sales department first. Eric or Joey will be more than happy to help you out with that. If you need to fly in, that's no problem either. We're only about a 40-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport. But yeah, as I see it, it's an absolutely fantastic vehicle. I think someone's really gonna love this one. And you should check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.